Hey guys, Roby here with another Divi Engine quick tip for you. You folks already know how to build gorgeous mega menus using the Divi Builder and Divi Mega Menu. But did you know that instead of showing the triangle underneath your active link, that you can also turn it into a line like this instead? Now don't you answer that. Let me quickly show you how you can quickly and easily do that without breaking a sweat. Let's go. Alright, so here we are on the back end of our Divi install, and we've already got Mega Menu installed and configured. Now to do this, all you do is you go to Mega Menu. We can see my quick tip Mega Menu right here. I'm going to edit it. And this is actually one of our layouts that we have available for you to download on the Mega Menu page, linked in the description of this video. There's a bunch of options in there for you. But let's go to the module view. We don't need to mess with that. All we're going to do is scroll down all the way to Mega Menu triangle style, and literally all you do, you flip this switch to on. We're going to go all the way up again. We're going to save, and then we'll pop back on the front end of the site and refresh that page. And now we'll see our triangle is now underlined. And that's it, guys. Now you can go back to the backend settings here, and you can go ahead and change the color, the thickness of all these, the line, the distance, and all that fun stuff. Definitely mess around with that to make it look unique to your site. And that's that, guys. That was so simple. It took 2 seconds to flip that on, turn that triangle into an underline, and really transform your site. Remember, Divi Mega Menu is your gateway to creating interesting, engaging menus for your store, for your blog, for anything that you can imagine. And don't forget, those layouts will be linked in the description of this video. So guys, that's it. This was Roby with the Divi Engine team. I'll be back with another quick tip real soon. Catch you guys next time.